Hello, this is one of our builders that we use for new equipment. 5 years ago, when I left Braco, the employment, because they closed up, Braco was one of the largest used machine tool dealers in the country. And people that owned it were well beyond retirement years, and they had sold the building, so I had to find another home. So about 5 years ago, I started doing some business with the Turkish Trade Center, which morphed into the Global Trade Hub. This is actually my first visit when we were doing the machine tool world. You travel a lot, and I first traveled to Konya in Turkey to MVD, which is a press brake manufacturer, about 14 years ago to sort of check out the equipment. I ended up selling for the press brakes in Indiana. And I've also been to the People's Republic of China, and comparing the two, the ability of the Turks to build a machine and lay down a good welding bead convinced me that there was good equipment. The American market has been penetrated, especially in the fabrication side, and we sell both the chip and the fab equipment. That fabrication equipment, number of Turkish builders, Blackout, which I sell for press brakes, shears, and sometimes lasers. That has become people have understood that the value and the longevity of the equipment that comes out of Turkey is pretty good. So let's go inside and take a look at a couple of lines here. Okay, inside the Turkish Trade Center, you'll see that they have wrapped up their smaller band saws, which you can't see much with the wrapper on them. And here's a double mitering small band saw, wrap series. KDG is the mitering, so it'll cut at an angle. Same thing, a little bit smaller saw, and another mitering saw. You can tell by the protractor on the side, PM for double mitering. Another saw that's kind of wrapped up, has it brought in. This is also a Carmetal saw. It's a fully automatic saw. Generally on any saw that you see that's European, you'll see a designation 450, 280, 350, which is the millimeter, the size of the capacity of the saw. Again, this is a fully automatic saw. So in the back, you can see the feed mechanism, which clamps the part and advances it into the vise. Okay, this is a new line that was introduced at not brand new, but in terms of the U.S., introduced at the Fab Tech show a couple months ago. So it has, this belt actually goes with their surfacer, but this one is for deburring the dross, the laser dross off of a part or a plasma cut, so you can move it around and clean up a part. With the time saver, this particular one is their dust collecting system, which they hook up to the surfacer, and this is the surfacer. So this one, they got a lock today, so it essentially showing the width of it. Put the parts in, the belts spin, and they grind the flat surface. This is another builder of turning equipment, lathes from Turkey. Different sizes. People that designed this, I think they helped design the spinner lathe, which was a German lathe. One of the machines that is very unique is used for the machining of gun barrels, which has an automatic loading system where a robot comes and picks it up, moves it into position, machining takes place, removes it. So it's a pretty automated system. That's the TT-850, different sizes. So this is an indication of how automation has affected the world machine tool market. So this is SMB Technics. So here is the a light surfacer. In case there was suddenly a run on these, we have 4 of them in addition to the one out in the main factory that are in stock. So we have a supply, and it can actually comes with wheels that can be moved around from work cell to work cell. And this is a little bit different than what just a surfacer is. This is a leveling machine. So it's a little bit newer technology than just a straight, quote unquote, time saver type machine.